we have a real estate customer. He sends a weekly newsletter to his list. It includes his analysis of what's going on in the real estate market. He no longer prospects for clients, and he still closes 100 deals a year, because when anybody is buying or selling and they're on his list, the first person they think about is him. And so that's really the power of this thing. It's not always about asking for a sale or doing that. It's about keeping your business top of mind and providing value to people so that when they do need what you offer, or when somebody says, hey, do you know anybody that does this? They're going to think of you first. And that's, a lot of what all of this is about. That just, at the end of the day, it's relationship building, staying top of mind so people come to you when they need you.